Too much history have you make it so hard to leave ya. What you do? Big man thing, me not.
Hey guys, it's me Nekeisha and whatever, and I'm back again with another video. And as you can tell by the title, today's video, though it's not even Thanksgiving, I'll be telling you guys my Christmas wish list of 2019. I made a video like this about 2 years ago, and last year I missed it, but this year I'm not missing it. So let's get right into the video. I have a whole list. Hold on, we're going to a text. I have a whole list in my notes. I made it last night. It's just a few things for me, just nothing too serious. So the first thing that I want is a 24-inch 613 wig, 210 density. That's what I want. Doesn't matter from where. Somebody can get me a 24-inch 613 wig. I will be happy and thankful. So thank you. Next thing I want are these two pairs of Uggs. I don't know the name of them, but I'm gonna put them on the screen. This one I bought it for my best friend for her birthday instead of buying it for myself. And this one, I didn't buy it because I don't know, it was I just never got the chance to buy it. I just might buy it for myself for Christmas. Next thing I want is a gold ring. I love rings and stuff like that. I have a ring on my necklace. Oh wait, no I don't, I took it off. But I used to have this ring that I used to wear all the time, but it doesn't fit me anymore. I love rings and jewelry, bracelets, necklace, earrings. I love all that stuff. So you can just get me jewelry as a whole, because I love bling and stuff, you know what I mean? Next thing that I want is Sim City. I want the Sim City that came out in 2013, I believe. I think that's like the latest version. I already have it, but I got a new laptop, and when you get a new laptop, you can't use the same like CD. So I'm mad. But you know, it's Black Friday, so I might go buy it. But you know, if anybody wants to buy it for Christmas, you know, it'll be a great Christmas gift, and I will love you forever. My next thing is the iPhone 11. I know it's like an 11 Pro Max, X Max, whatever it's called. Whatever it is, I want it, and I want it in purple. Because that purple color is everything. Like, ooh, child. So there's this cute fluffy jacket from Pretty Little Thing. I'm going to insert a picture here. And I really want it. Really bad. Because it's really cute. And I have so many like outfit ideas with it. And you know, if somebody wants to get it for me, like, you can if you want to, you know. I'm not forcing you, I'm just saying. Another thing I want some Crocs. I heard they're really warm, I heard they're really comfortable, and I would just love to have some Crocs in my life. Like, if I get Crocs, like, I'm not wearing shoes, like, I'm really not. But at the same time, I'm like, I don't know, because my ankles get cold and they do not cover your ankles. I don't know. Next thing that I would love to get are some hoodies. If you know me, or you don't, I love hoodies. I wear hoodies like every day. It's all I wear. It's all I have. Hoodies are my life. Any hoodie from anywhere, it don't really matter to me. But I love hoodies. But if you need an idea, you know, I love Pretty Little Thing hoodies. You know, like I'm wearing right now. I love Pretty Little Thing, so you can get me some hoodies from Pretty Little Thing. Sorry if I'm not like looking at the camera. I'm like looking at myself in the back to make sure I'm like in focus and the lighting isn't weird like in all my other videos. Alright, the next thing that I would love to get is an Apple Watch, you know, so I could be in class like. And yeah, if I gotta cheat on a test, that's it. Quick, easy, teacher won't even know. Next thing I want is the Yeezy 700, but I want them in the all black. I'm gonna insert a picture right here. I think those are so cute, and I don't really see a lot of people wearing those specifically. I don't know why, but those are like the best looking ones to me, because it's like, it's just all black, so you don't really see all the extra detailing that's on it. So it just looks like, I don't know, I just like the all black ones. I don't really like any of the other colors like that. Next, I want some Nike M2K Technos, but the ones that they have for ladies aren't really that poppin'. You know, well, the last time I was looking, the ones they have for ladies aren't really that cute. But the ones they have for men are cute. And I know there's a way for me to get the men's one, because I seen a girl, her feet look like they were the same size as me, and she had them on. So if she could get them, I could get them. I could find them. I might have to hunt for them so I can get them for myself for Christmas. I don't know. But if you love me and you want to, you know, buy me something, you can hunt for those for me. And I'll love you forever. Alright. I want some Air Jordan 1s too. No specific one. I just see like a couple of colors that I really like. I know there's the green one, the orange one. I know those are like expensive. Like I don't know. I know there's like a peach one. Those are really cute. The yellow ones are beautiful. The gray ones, those are cute. The red ones, the blue ones. I just want all the flavors. Next thing, I want some Fashion Nova jeans, but I want some more Fashion Nova jeans. They fit really nicely. I like the way that they feel. You know what I mean? Fashion Nova jeans are it. So if you don't know what to get me, you can get me some Fashion Nova jeans. And you know, I love you forever. If you get me anything, I'll love you forever. I'm not the type of person, if you give me a gift, I'm gonna act, you know, some type of way. Like, I'm gonna be grateful for whatever you get, because it's great that you were thinking about me and you bought me something, so I'm grateful for that. The next thing, this is probably the thing that I would love you the most for, is if you could get me a better job. I'm not saying nothing's wrong with my job right now, but you know, if you could get me a better job. Okay guys, so I'm back. Changing location. I'm in my living room now. Before I was in my mom's room, but I stopped. My camera died. I went to eat. And anyway, I know the last thing that I said was that if you bless me with a new job for Christmas, I will have a different type of love for you forever. Alright, so the next one that I want are these Balenciaga sneakers. I don't know the name of them because I'm not really like up to date with like expensive, like name brand things. Like, I'm not up to date. Like, I don't follow along, you know what I mean? I'm the type of person, if I see something, I'm like, ooh, I like those, and then, you know, I'm not the type to like keep up. Sorry, this lip gloss on my chin. But I'm gonna insert a picture of a girl wearing them. I love her. I watch all her YouTube videos, follow her on Instagram, all of that. Her name is Icy Lynn, Pretty Icy Lynn. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but her name is something like that. And yeah, I saw her wear them in like one of her videos, or a couple of her videos, and they're really cute and I really like them. Next, I want some bras and panties from Rihanna's lingerie line. What is it called? Savage something fancy. I don't know what the name of it is, but you know, I like some bras from there and some panties from there because they're really nice and they're really good. You know, I don't have titties, but it would still be nice to have some. And the next and final thing that I would love to get for Christmas is a Canada Goose jacket in yellow. And let me tell y'all a story. I was coming from school one day, I think it was like last year winter. I seen some beautiful dark-skinned girl. I remember exactly what she was. She had like bone straight weave, lip gloss, you know, some beautiful lashes blinking everywhere. And she just had on this yellow coat. Yellow Canada Goose coat. I'm just like, wow. She just made me want it so bad because it just looks so nice on her. And on her skin, and her lip gloss was just glistening. It was just beautiful, and she just made me want it all together. So if you're feeling real generous and you know you got some, you can go ahead and buy me a Canada Goose jacket in yellow. You know, if you want. So anyway, that was my final thing on my list. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If we have anything in common on our list, comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.